Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial for you. If you're looking for a way to get a faster, secure internet connection, you're in the right place. We'll be showing you how to import a slow DNS config on the NPV Tunnel app for optimal speed. Remember, for more VPN updates and hidden tricks, check out our blog linked below. Please support our channel by hitting the like button and subscribing. Now, let's get started. All right. The first thing we need is the required slow DNS configuration file. To find this, open your browser and type UDP custom in the search bar. Look for the official link in the search results, then click on it. When you're on the home page, locate the menu button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap to expand it, and from the options, select Slow DNS Files. This will bring up a small pop-up window. Click on NPV Tunnel Config. Once you click, a 10-second countdown will start. As soon as it finishes, the download button will appear. Click on it to open a new page with a list of slow DNS configuration files. Choose the latest file from the list, click on it, and you'll be directed to the download page. Just hit download, and in a few seconds, the file will be saved to your device. Now that we have our configuration file, let's ensure we have the latest version of the NPV Tunnel app. Go to the Play Store on your device, search for NPV Tunnel, and select it from the results. Tap Install, and once it's installed, go ahead and open the app. This takes you to the NPV Tunnel homepage. On the homepage, locate and tap the Servers button at the bottom of the screen. Next, click the plus button at the top right corner to open a new window. You'll see an option labeled Import NPV4 config file. Click on this option, and it will direct you to your device's download folder. Locate the NPV slow DNS config file that we downloaded from the website. Once you find it, tap on it, and within seconds, it will successfully import into the app. Now, head back to the home page of the app. Once you're back on the home page, simply click the Start button. In just a few moments, your VPN will connect, providing you with a fast, secure web browsing experience. If you want to double-check, you can go to the Log section to view any errors or verify the connection speed. And there you have it. You're now connected with a fast and secure VPN on the NPV Tunnel app. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials coming soon. Until next time, happy browsing.